Conversely, what happened? It is a property which is an intellectual property is like unauthorized use is done by the individual, and therefore dispute came. So, for example, if academic system, I have written something, I have written some book and or some research paper, and that research paper writing I have spent 5 years, then I have based on my that 5 years efforts, I have written a nice paper, maybe 10 pages, maybe 15 pages, maybe 5 pages, but I have put that efforts and I have created that particular outcome in the form of a research paper, and I have put it in my notebook, and without my knowledge somebody takes that and publish it on their own name. What is the use of that? How will you protect that particular? Because it is a effort of 5 years which is stolen.